Too busy to cook but serious about losing weight? Today on SlimSync I'm showing you 3 high-protein Western meals made for busy professionals. No complicated prep, no wasted time, just real food, ready in minutes. Your career demands excellence, and your health should be no different. These meals are designed for efficiency, power, and results. 3 cornerstone meals packed with protein and bold Western flavors that anyone can master. So, pay attention, get ready to cook, and let's get it done. First up, Smoky Paprika Turkey Power Skillet. This is the kind of meal that proves healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. It's a one-pan wonder that's packed with flavor, color, and nutrition, and it comes together in less time than it takes to order takeout. Whether you're looking to fuel your workouts, lose fat, or just eat something that tastes incredible, this skillet is about to become your new go-to. We're starting with lean ground turkey, which is one of the best proteins you can choose for fat loss and muscle maintenance. It's low in fat, high in protein, and incredibly versatile. If you're used to chicken or beef, turkey is a fantastic way to mix things up and keep your meals interesting. Plus, it absorbs flavors beautifully, making it the perfect canvas for bold spices. Begin by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. You want the oil to shimmer, not smoke. Olive oil not only helps prevent sticking, but it also brings heart-healthy fats and a subtle richness to the dish. Add your ground turkey to the hot pan. Use a spatula to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. The key here is to let it brown. Don't rush this step. Browning the turkey develops deep, savory flavors and gives the meat a satisfying texture. Remember, color equals flavor, so let it get a little golden. As the turkey cooks, season it generously. Start with salt and freshly cracked black pepper, but the real star is smoked paprika. Don't be shy. Add a big spoonful. Smoked paprika brings a deep, smoky backbone to the dish, transforming simple turkey into something special. It's the secret ingredient that makes this skillet unforgettable. Once your turkey is browned and fragrant, it's time to add some color and crunch. Toss in sliced bell peppers, use any color you like, or a mix for maximum visual appeal. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a powerhouse addition to any meal. Keep the heat high as you stir in the peppers. You want them to stay crisp, tender, not soft or soggy. This quick sauté locks in their natural sweetness and gives the dish a satisfying bite. The contrast between the tender turkey and the crunchy peppers is what makes every forkful exciting. Next, add a handful of chopped onions. Onions bring a gentle sweetness and a layer of complexity to the skillet. As they cook, they soften and meld with the other flavors, creating a savory base that ties everything together. Now, pile in a mountain of fresh spinach. It might look like a lot at first, but spinach wilts down dramatically, adding bulk and vibrant green color without adding many calories. Spinach is loaded with iron, magnesium, and a host of micronutrients that support energy and recovery. Give everything a good stir and let the spinach wilt into the mix. Now's the time to taste and adjust your seasoning. Maybe you want a little more paprika, a pinch of chili flakes for heat, or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Make it your own. This is your skillet, your rules. In under 12 minutes, you've created a meal that's loaded with lean protein, fiber, and bold, smoky flavor. It's the kind of dish that leaves you feeling satisfied and energized, not weighed down or sluggish. The colors alone are enough to make you want to dig in. This skillet is also a meal prep superstar. Portion it into containers and you've got lunches or dinners ready to go for the week. It reheats beautifully, staying juicy and flavorful. No more sad desk salads or bland leftovers. Just real food that keeps you on track. When it's time to eat, plate it up with pride. The vibrant colors and fresh ingredients make this meal as beautiful as it is delicious. It's proof that healthy food can be crave-worthy and satisfying. This isn't just diet food, it's smart food. Every bite is packed with nutrients that support your goals. Whether you're training hard, losing fat, or just trying to eat better, you're fueling your body for high performance and long-term health. You now have the blueprint for a meal that's fast, flavorful, and totally doable on a busy weeknight. Cooking healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a few simple ingredients and a hot skillet, you can create something amazing. Meal 1, Smoky Paprika Turkey Skillet. It's lean, bold, and fast. The perfect way to kick off your week of healthy eating. To recap, cook lean ground turkey with olive oil and smoked paprika, add bell peppers, onions, and a mountain of spinach, then season to taste. In just minutes, you've got a meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Ready for the next recipe? Let's keep the momentum going. Next up, Lemon Dijon Salmon Express Plate. This is a dish that's all about speed, flavor, and nutrition, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants a restaurant-quality meal in a fraction of the time. Whether you're cooking for yourself after a long day, or impressing guests with minimal effort, this recipe delivers every time. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, high in protein, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and rich in vitamins like B12 and D. These nutrients support brain health, boost your mood, and keep your body running at its best. Plus, salmon's natural flavor is so good you don't need to do much to make it shine. Start by heating a heavy pan over medium-high heat and adding a splash of olive oil. While the pan heats, pat your salmon fillet dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for getting that irresistibly crispy skin. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, so take your time here. Season the salmon generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Lay the fillet skin side down in the hot pan, and here's the key: don't move it. Let the skin make full contact with the pan so it crisps up beautifully. Use a spatula to press the fillet gently for the first minute or so. This helps the skin stay flat and ensures an even golden crust. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle as the skin crisps up, locking in flavor and moisture. Once the skin is golden and crisp, carefully flip the salmon. Now, add fresh asparagus spears right into the same pan. Cooking the veggies alongside the fish saves time and lets the flavors mingle. Season the asparagus with a pinch of salt and pepper. As it cooks, it'll soak up some of the salmon's savory fat, making every bite more delicious. Let the asparagus sizzle and get a bit of color, turning occasionally for even cooking. Salmon cooks quickly, usually just a few minutes per side depending on thickness. Check for doneness by gently pressing with a fork. It should flake easily and remain moist inside. Overcooked salmon dries out fast, so keep an eye on it. For the sauce, take the pan off the heat. Add a generous spoonful of Dijon mustard and a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The residual heat is all you need to blend these into a tangy, creamy sauce that wakes up your taste buds. Swirl the pan gently to combine the mustard and lemon with the pan juices. The result is a punchy, bright sauce that's both rich and refreshing. No need for heavy cream or butter. To plate, arrange the asparagus first, then place the salmon fillet on top, skin side up to show off that crispiness. Drizzle the sauce over everything, letting it pool around the veggies and fish for maximum flavor in every bite. The best part? This entire meal comes together in under 10 minutes. It's elegant enough for a dinner party, yet simple enough for a weeknight dinner when you're short on time but still want something special. You're getting high-quality protein, healthy fats from the salmon, and fiber from the asparagus. There are no heavy sauces or unnecessary calories, just clean, bold flavors that leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Compare this to a typical greasy takeaway meal. Instead of feeling sluggish and weighed down, you'll finish this plate feeling light, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. It's a meal that truly fuels your body and mind. This isn't just another diet recipe. It's a new standard for busy professionals who want to eat well without sacrificing time or taste. It's about making smart choices that fit your lifestyle and help you perform at your best. Once you learn this recipe, you'll want to make it again and again. Add it to your weekly meal plan, master the technique, and soon you'll be able to whip it up from memory. No recipe needed. Meal 2. Lemon Dijon Salmon. It's seared to perfection, finished with a zesty sauce, and guaranteed to satisfy. This is the kind of meal that makes healthy eating feel like a treat, not a chore. Sear your salmon, cook the asparagus in the same pan, and finish with a quick Dijon lemon sauce. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective. Stick around, our final express meal is coming up and you won't want to miss it. Last one, garlic sirloin and mushroom speed skillet. This is the ultimate quick, protein-packed dinner that feels like a treat but fits perfectly into a lean, healthy lifestyle. If you're craving something hearty, savory, and satisfying, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, this is your go-to meal. Let's break down how to make a steakhouse-worthy dish in under 20 minutes, right at home. Sirloin is lean, flavorful, and cooks in minutes, perfect for fat loss. It's one of the best cuts for anyone looking to enjoy red meat without the extra calories or fat. Look for a sirloin with a little marbling for flavor, but not too much. This cut is affordable, easy to find, and incredibly versatile. Plus, it's packed with high-quality protein to keep you full and help you recover after workouts. Let steak come to room temp, pat dry, and season aggressively with salt and pepper. This step is crucial for a great crust and even cooking. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Salt brings out the natural beefy flavor and pepper adds a subtle kick. If you want, you can add a pinch of garlic powder or smoked paprika for extra depth, but classic salt and pepper never fails. Sear in a hot skillet with a touch of high smoke point oil. Cast iron is ideal, but any heavy pan will do. Make sure the oil is shimmering before the steak goes in. This is what gives you that restaurant-style sear. The sizzle when the steak hits the pan is your cue that you're on the right track. Don't move it. Let a deep crust form, then flip. This is where patience pays off. Resist the urge to poke or prod the steak. Letting it sit undisturbed allows the Maillard reaction to work its magic, creating a flavorful, caramelized crust that locks in juices. Add a small knob of butter, sliced garlic, and thyme. As the steak nears your desired doneness, toss in these aromatics. The butter will melt and foam, picking up the flavors of the garlic and thyme, infusing the steak with incredible aroma and taste. Baste the steak with the foaming butter for flavor, and even cooking. Use a spoon to scoop the melted, aromatic butter over the steak repeatedly. This not only adds flavor, but also helps the steak cook gently from above, ensuring a juicy, tender result. Rest the steak, crucial for juicy results. Transfer it to a cutting board and tent loosely with foil. Resting allows the juices to redistribute so every bite is moist and flavorful. Don't skip this step, even if you're hungry. While resting, sauté sliced mushrooms in the same pan, soaking up all the flavor. The mushrooms will absorb the leftover steak juices, butter, and herbs, becoming rich and savory. This is a great way to add volume and nutrients to your meal without extra calories. Season mushrooms, deglaze with a splash of water or broth if needed. Scrape up any browned bits from the pan, this is pure flavor. If you want, add a splash of balsamic vinegar or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Let the mushrooms cook until golden and tender. Slice steak against the grain. Perfect medium rare, deep crust. Cutting against the grain shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite more tender. Aim for slices about ½ inch thick for the best texture and presentation. Serve mushrooms as a bed, steak on top, drizzle with pan juices. This not only looks beautiful but ensures every bite is packed with flavor. The pan juices tie everything together, making the dish taste luxurious. High-quality protein, big flavor and satisfying without excess calories. This meal is proof that eating for your goals doesn't mean sacrificing taste or satisfaction. You get all the benefits of red meat, plus fiber and nutrients from the mushrooms. This is steakhouse quality at home, in minutes. You don't need fancy equipment or hours of prep, just good ingredients, a hot pan, and a little technique. Impress yourself and anyone you're cooking for. Red meat can fit your goals. Just choose lean cuts and smart sides. 3 meals, no excuses. Pair this steak and mushrooms with a simple salad, steamed greens, or roasted veggies for a complete, balanced plate. Meal 3, garlic sirloin and mushroom skillet. Fast, lean, and loaded with flavor. It's the kind of meal that makes healthy eating feel indulgent, not restrictive. You'll want to make this again and again. Sear steak, sauté mushrooms, finish with garlic and thyme. Done. In less than 20 minutes you've got a meal that's high in protein, low in fat, and bursting with flavor. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated, just delicious. There you have it, 3 high-protein Western meals, fast and effective. No time to cook is no longer an excuse. With these meals you stay full, energized, and on track, even on your busiest days. Healthy eating is a strategic advantage, not a sacrifice. Take these principles, lean protein, smart veggies, bold flavors, and make them your standard. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast, professional weight loss meals. The work starts now. Get in the kitchen and let's go.